हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का टॉपिक है हमारा ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का मतलब होता है भूमंडलीय तापन, यानी कि जिन कारणों से हमारे पूरे पृथ्वी का जब टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होने लगता है तो उसे हम ग्लोबल वार्मिंग कहते हैं। तो आज के इस एसे में हम ये लिखेंगे कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग किसे कहते हैं। ये हमारे इंट्रोडक्शन वाले पार्ट में लिखेंगे। दूसरे पार्ट में हम लिखेंगे कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होने का कारण क्या है। थर्ड पार्ट में हम लिखेंगे कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होने के वजह से हमारे पूरे एनवायरनमेंट को किन किन समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। और चौथे वाले पार्ट में यानी कि फाइनल पार्ट में हम ये लिखेंगे कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग होने के वजह से जिन समस्याओं का हमें सामना करना पड़ रहा है उनका समाधान क्या है। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इसे। Global warming is a major atmospheric issue all over the world. Actually, the greenhouse is a house made of glass which is used to grow plants. The sun's heat is trapped inside the house and warms the greenhouse, which is essential for the growth of plants. In the same way, there are some greenhouse gases present in our atmosphere which trap the sun's radiation in earth makes the surface of the earth warmer, which makes possible the survival of living beings on earth. But the greenhouse gases are increased day by day due to various activities and natural events. These greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon. These gases trap the solar heat rays and prevent it from escaping from the surface of the earth, and they increase the average temperature of the earth, and they cause global warming. Global warming affected our environment very badly. These greenhouse gases are emitted by heavy industries, small factories, automobiles like buses, cars, trucks, bikes, etc., which increases the temperature of the earth. Fossil fuels are widely used to produce electricity. The burning of fossil fuels produces tons of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Rearing cattle also causes the release of methane from manure. Burning of dry leaves, plastic bags relieves carbon dioxide and methane. Methane gas is 20 times more effective in trapping sun's heat in the surface of the earth. The another effective reason of global warming is deforestation. Due to excessive cutting of trees, the concentration of this gas increases in our atmosphere. Volcanic eruptions are also another reason for global warming. Volcanoes release tons of carbon dioxide in our earth, which leads to increase the temperature of the earth considerably. These greenhouse gases absorb the infrared radiation of the sun. The greenhouse gases destroyed the ozone layer, the upper region of stratosphere. The ozone layer protects the earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. The depletion of ozone layer may cause skin cancer and also change the climate drastically. Many species lost their habitat due to this climate changing. Due to the increasing temperature of the earth, the polar ice caps melted, which result the water level of the sea is also increased. Many natural disasters also occur like hurricanes, cyclonic storm, heat waves, drought and extreme rainfalls. We all people should come forth together to stop this global warming, to save our environment. First of all, we need to reduce deforestation. We should plant more and more trees. We should recycling the garbages. Our government need to take some initiative steps to reduce the global warming. Electric vehicles should be introduced to reduce the emission of these toxic gases. We all need to take केयर ऑफ आवर अर्थ। सेव अर्थ, सेव लाइफ। आई होप आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।